Hi everyone, Vince here. Welcome back to another Let's Talk Money Making Apps episode. Boy oh boy, we have a lot to talk about today. First of all, DigiWards, CoinPlix, WePoints, and Lovely Plants have been removed from various countries' play stores due to supposedly being a hazardous application. I'm not even joking everyone, these developers have been completely nuked from the Play Store, which boggles my mind. Because only just recently, literally within the last week or two, I cashed out around $50 of USD currency from Lovely Plants, and I was paid out my money without any issues whatsoever. And I was literally going to make a follow-up video on it, guys, but now I don't think I can. I've sent a message out to the developers themselves to see what's going on, but from what I've heard from a member of my Discord is that supposedly the offer wall provider OKSpin is in fact a complete scam. Now, throughout the applications that I've reviewed that had the offer wall OKSpin within it, I've always said that offer wall was trash. The rates were just ridiculous and it never made sense. But now, supposedly, there's some sort of spyware or virus within OKSpin itself. This is just what I've heard from a Discord member, so you have to take this with a grain of salt. I'm still waiting for the official response of the developers, but if this is the case, then that would make sense, because OKSpin was in every single one of their applications, and it's such a shame to see DigiWards go down like this, because they were one of the actual few developers that paid you to play their games. When I have a response from the developer, I'll let you guys know, of course. But hopefully that answers some questions for you guys out there. Next up, let's talk about Money Turn, Play and Invest. So everyone, for today's video, I want to show you exactly how the investment system works and a live cash out. So here you can see that I can claim my accrual benefit. Essentially what this means, because I'm level 2 at the moment for my investment level, I get 7% worth of free currency of my total balance. And you can see here I have 130,000 of the coins, guys. At the bottom of the screen, you'll notice that I can claim 9,160 of the coins for free. So tapping that claim button has now reset the timer back to 7 days. My investment level is now back to level 1, which means a 3% investment bonus. I just simply have to play Money Turn for 2 days straight to get to level 3, which means a 10% bonus. And now we have 140,000 coins in my account balance. So thankfully, at least here in Australia, I still have the PayPal cash out option for Money Turn. I'm going to cash out $20 worth of Australian currency for 138,000 coins. Now, at this point on Money Turn, it's probably going to take me a month or so or more to even get close to this balance again. But for the sake of this video, let me tap the payout button. Now, interesting enough, there's a face verification system on Money Turn where they need to take your selfie in order for the cash out to happen. So now that that's done, I can confirm the payout, and now it states payout success. I should receive my PayPal credit within about 7 business days. Now, in general, Just Dice generally pays within about 2 days or so. So if you guys want to stay up to date to see if Money Turn actually paid me my $20, simply head over to the official Vinsane Reviews Instagram page. Here is where I'll be posting all my payment proof and more. You can find all my official links in the description of this YouTube video. Remember, if it's not those pages, don't believe what you see. Next, let's talk about Make Money and Gift Card Boints. So everyone, Boints for me has been a painful experience, okay? While I do appreciate they do pay their players the Boints currency for a few cents here and there, I have still not been able to cash out my $59.58. And this is because of their broken offer system. They still have not fixed this area, at least here in Australia, okay? Essentially, it states play the 4th game you've downloaded for at least 10 minutes and get $2. But they have 6 different tiers to this offer, and you need to complete 6 different tiers 4 separate times in order to unlock the cash balance cash out, which is of course the $59.58. Anyone out there that's played Boints before probably understands my frustration right now. They really need to fix this because it's still busted here in Australia, which I don't understand why. Boints does not record your playtime correctly, which means you can never actually unlock the offers. Next, let's talk about Gold Miner Classic Gold. Just to clarify about Gold Miner, everyone, the application itself is actually legitimate at the time of this recording. The problem is, just because Gold Miner is legitimate does that make it worth your time. You see, every time you watch an advertisement, you get some money. And you see, a lot of people don't understand that the developer makes a lot more money than what they're going to give out to you, the player, and that's even with legitimate apps out there. You see, with Gold Miner, even though the concept is pretty straightforward, all you need to do is literally collect the gold nuggets and collect these little special items. The whole concept though is watching advertisements. You see, even though it states that I can earn a max of $12 apparently by watching ads, that's really never gonna happen. Let me show you how much you get for watching one single ad. You see, for one single advertisement, I earn 3,200 of the coins, which only equals 0.0032 cents. Now, supposedly I can double that revenue by watching another ad. So now those coins should go to 6,400, right? Let's find out in a second. Okay, so supposedly double means 6,196. Now, if I double that again, technically I should get around 12,400 of the coins almost. Let's see if that's what I get. You see, everyone, we only have 8,996 coins. Now let me double that again. And now we only have 11,700 coins. So in reality, I need to make it clear that double just means double the initial price, it seems, or not even, from what you won in the first place. And just to prove the point even more, let me try and double supposedly 11,700 coins. And now you can see that double has only put us up to 14,596. But now it's offering me up more advertisements with a max of $18 now supposedly. The thing is, everyone, I've tested out Gold Miner's cash out on last night's video, okay? And yes, it is legitimate, you do get your money, and I have to say it is an instant cash out, at least in my own experience, but this is definitely not going to be for everyone. I just wanted to put that point across because I know some people probably thought this was a fake money making app. It just has some pretty weird practices, like needing your mobile number, full name, and of course PayPal email address to cash out. I'm still on the fence about this developer, but guys, give it a shot if you want to see if it works in your own country. Next, let's talk about Receipt Jar. So everyone, I reviewed Receipt Jar probably about 2 to 3 weeks ago now at this point, or at least it feels like it. Thanks to you guys joining up, I earned about $5 in referral bonuses. I cashed out a $5 gift card for 1,000 points on May the 16th, and I still have not been paid. Apparently, it only takes up to 5 to 10 business days for them to process the payment. So this is actually pretty disappointing because I had high hopes for Receipt Jar, but right now they're really not doing that well for me. Now, let's talk about Park Inc. and Cash. So Park Inc. is one of these little pleasant surprises, everyone. If you didn't see my review, essentially it's a money-making application that pays you to literally move cars around. Simply swipe the cars off the screen and that's all you need to do. Now, the reason that I'm mentioning it today is because some people actually wanted to see how much money I'd get for completing surveys on the application itself. If you didn't know, at the end of every single level, essentially an advertisement plays and you get paid for watching the ad. Okay, now that advertisement has been watched, I've just earned 5,700 of the coins. That brings my balance up to 86,000 coins, and taking that 86,000 coins, that converts into 8 cents United States currency worth of PayPal. Remember, these three applications share a balance. Like, I'm on Sweet Cash right now, and because I've logged in with my account, my balance has been brought over. In total, you can earn 60 times on all three of their applications combined, and that's per day, by the way. The only downside is, at least with their surveys, they're pretty pointless here in Australia because I can only earn between like 10 and 20 cents worth of currency. But these developers generally pay within about one single day in my own experience. Alright everyone, thanks for watching. I'll catch you all tomorrow for another video. See you then.